Shit.
What the fuck?
We just threw that
Oh my
shit.
God. Wow.
Was anyone recording that?
Alright, let's board this bitch. Ah!
What is going on?
Glitching.
I don't know, I'm hanging on for dear life.
Hoping to beach it.
It's glitching.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my
It's
God.
doing like barrel rolls in
Ew,
the
what
air.
the hell?
What the
Oh my god!
Shit, kill him, just kill him. Take advantage of the
I'm
chaos.
Board
just gonna
it.
kill this boat.
You can't kill it, we'll get flung off the moment.
I can't get on. There we go.
I'd say stop harpooning
It
it for a
rolled
minute.
rolled me onto
Putting
it.
my boat away before
Oh
it
my
gets
God.
killed.
Whoa, I
God
just
damn
got
it.
Oh my god, I'm so far away.
Okay, don't harpoon the damn thing. Break all tethers.
Keep it in combat, whatever you do.
I think what
Yeah,
happened
but
to me
break
just
the
rolled
damn
me onto the back.
harpoons.
Hey Z,
What?
there's a guy next to us who's cloaked.
Out of view.
Alright.
His
One's dead.
Ronin guy.
Out of view.
He cloaked around where I'm at.
View.
The harpoon is what's causing all the glitching. Break it.
We're off the
Target is
harpoon.
facing the wrong.
It's
There's
still
a
there.
pack right here. Did he drop the pack?
Probably.
Out of view.
What the f?
It's still glitching out.
Give it a minute.
Different elevation.
It's like doing barrel rolls in the water.